yá ó tún ti ṣẹlẹ̀ Madam Lizzy Anjorin tún ti jáde ẹ̀ tún wá gbọ́ tuntun ẹ wo fídíò yìí kẹ́ kọ́gbọ́n nínú ẹ̀ ó kẹ́ gbọ́ àṣírí oríṣiríṣi Madam Lizzy ti sojú abẹ níkòó mi ò fẹ́ bẹ́ fún yín jù mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wò fúnra yín kẹ́ gbádùn ẹ̀ àmọ́ ṣábẹ́ ṣé ń wò ẹ máa bá mi like ẹ máa bá mi share kẹ́ máa comment yes ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti subscribe ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi tẹ subscribe button kò ná yín ní owó kò ná yín ní.
If you know what it takes to be a single mother, you should be the least person that will be brag with your children. Because kò sí kankan lóyún tó fẹ́ jèrè ọmọ. Kò sí kankan as a single mother àti bàbá tó kọ́ mọ́lẹ̀ àti ìyá tó fayé ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọ kò sí kankan tó fẹ́ jèrè ọmọ. Àwọn ọmọ ọ̀sìn special species ni wọ́n special breed ni wọ́n. So má rò wípé bàbá yẹn need ọmọ yẹn that man does not need your son. Just like bí ọmọ mi ṣe wà bí Florida ṣe wà yẹn Mr. Lawal doesn't need any child he doesn't need any children èmi ni mo need the Florida. It is a reality that so many women fail to understand and the earlier you understand that the better for you. You need the child not the ọdún mélòó ni bàbá yìí kọ́ ló ń bá mi lọ́rẹ̀ ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ tiẹ̀ tó bí fúnra rẹ̀ ò rí nǹkan tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sọ wọ́n dà so àwọn bàbá tẹ́ pé àwọn ọmọ títí ẹ̀ gbogbo bojú ẹ̀ jẹ́ láwa máa retí ọmọ títí ẹ̀ he does not need your son darling he doesn't need your son he doesn't need your son go and have that at the back of your mind go and have that at the back of your he doesn't need your son even if you give that man your son he won't take it he has been betrayed by children he suffered for. From Mohbad to the last child, his children betray him. He will live with the trauma for the rest of his life. And this man will never forgive anybody, including you and your son. And his biological children, this man is not going to forgive anybody. Face the reality, darling. Don't feel too pompous. Don't be feeling, you're my baby for what? Oh, mo nǹkan tó ń pè ní trauma. Bí kéèyàn kan sì kó o pe rẹ̀ ní ìfẹ́ mọ́ bó ṣe tó láyé kó o wá fún mi màá wó ẹ màá bú ẹ mi ìwò kí Trump bú mi màá bú ibi tó ń reset mi sí nìyẹn tó o bá ti wá fún mi mi ò rí ẹ bí èèyàn mọ́ mo ti rí ẹ bí target tí mo gbọ́dọ̀ make sure pé ẹ̀mí gbọ́dọ̀ bọ́ lára ẹ̀. Because ibi tó ń reset mi sí nìyẹn wọ́n ti gbé mi kúrò ní Lizzy tó máa ń jó tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ti jẹ́ kó yé mi wípé àárín ọ̀tá lọ̀tá mi wà so wọ́n ti reset brain mi èmi náà dẹ̀ ti wà well reset kalẹ̀ mo dàbí bọ́ǹbù tó ti já kí ní orí ẹ̀ ni tó ń jó kiri báyìí tó kọra ń jó kiri tó bá wà máa blow owó ẹgbà ibi tó ń reset àwọn náà wá ń sunkún kiri lẹ́yìn Lizzy ń ṣépè fọmọ ibi tó ń reset mi sí ni ibi tó fi mí sí ni tó bá fi mí sí pé ìgbà tí mò ń jó màá máa jó tó bá fi mí sí pé ẹni wà well respected èmi náà respect wọn since they disrespect me in front of my children mi ní jẹ́ kó gbáyé àjọ máa fúnra wa jẹ ní back to back oru portable sí òun ni breakfast mi láàárọ̀ la. So the man does not need you. He doesn't need that son. He just wants to show you that you what Ìyábọ̀ bí pali ló ní pátákó bí pátákó ló ní pali. So I hope you are getting my point. I'll play a video for you. But let me finish your video.
Proving to each and every one of you that the mother of my child. And I will to each and every one of you that do not like me. Emulate one of this for my character. Stand on your 10 toes. Do not let bullies make you surrender. Do not.
The man never bullied you. It was Ìyábọ̀ Òjó that is bullying two of you. Oṣàrí pé owó yín Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lọ fi ṣe wedding for one. So deep down nínú ọkàn rẹ omi ẹni tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó jẹ́ náà. Láàrin ìwà àtọlọ́run omi ẹni tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó jẹ́.
Let social media propaganda, smear campaign, hate from different people, curses from different people, make you do what you don't want to do. Stand on your ground. Because that is one thing that
I don't do jazz for it. Jazz donation. So go to Mososha. If care is not taken, none of you is coming out alive. Má rò pé bàbá ọkọ ẹ àbí ìwọ ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ní target Ìyábọ̀ torí ọmọ tẹ́ ẹ gbé dání Ìyábọ̀ Òjó nídìí ẹ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó nídìí láti sọ fọ́mọ aráyé pé kò níyà mọ́ bàbá tó yẹ káwọn lọ mú fún bàbá tún ti ó ti yẹ ọmọ ọwọ́ ti tiẹ̀ ní target Ìyábọ̀ ó ṣàrí pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ò gbọ́ ọmọ Priscilla jáde orí bí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ṣe ń cover ojú ọmọ Priscilla orí ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ bí Priscilla ṣe ń gbé ọmọ ẹ̀ kiri ọmọ ẹ̀ kò tí ì yọ nínú òbò tí Ìyábọ̀ àtọmọ ẹ̀ wọ́n ti ń gbé ọmọ ẹ̀ kiri mo sọ fún yín pé tó bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá ti la orúkọ ẹni tó lọ́rọ̀ máa blọọkù ẹni kò kàn mí ìdẹ̀ ní ọ̀ blọọkù ẹ mọ́ tó bá fẹ́ fi kọ́mẹ̀ntì lẹ̀ bí ẹni tó ń bá wí fún orúkọ ẹ̀ sí níwájú.
Shaped me so far, and you know what? I am so glad that they did all they did to me because I really do not have the what is it called? I really do not have the mind to face media to do what I am doing. It is what they have done to me that even made me want to go into acting because now I am bold, I am fearless.
Oh, you are bold, you are fearless. That is what makes you to go into acting. So Toro ti wọnú acting ló ṣe bold ló ṣe fearless. It's okay. Oh, mo ya ọdún tí mo fi ń pariwo fún Ìyábọ̀ lọ́la jíjọba pé kó má post Liam mọ́. Ó lọ́wọ́ kí lórí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó kí Mohbad tó kú. Nígbà tí after 6 months mo fi ń bá Ìyábọ̀ Òjó kù pé kó má lo Liam lọ́la jíjọba. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó kúkú wá gbé wa ti Liam wá. You are bold, you are fearless. Kámpù Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tó wà kámpù tọkùnrin màmá ń sá fún màmí. You are bold. O bold nínú iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ kíkọ́. O bold nínú ìwé kíkà. O bold nínú loyalty. O lọ bold pẹ̀lú bàbá ọkọ ẹ̀. O ń bold pẹ̀lú Ìyábọ̀ tí méje ti bàjẹ́. Bàbá ń kúrò mo ṣàrítàn náà tún fíìmù ẹ̀. Fíìmù tí mo polówó mi by less than 12 hours or 24 hours. Torí pé ó na fíìmù Ìyábọ̀ Òjó pa. Torí pé ó ti tàjú fíìmù Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lọ bá. Ó ṣàrí ó tàjú fíìmù Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lọ. So Toro ti fi ẹ́ sí fíìmù. Ṣé okay? Ṣé mo gbọ́?
And I have a mind of my own. So Baba, you will do interview. Okay. You will do like 100 before May 5th. I will still stand on my toe. Okay. Except you are ready to do the needful. You will beg my child, Baba. You will beg me her. Not because of anything.
So, kí ló fẹ́ bẹ ọmọ ẹ fún? Baby. Mo dey like lady now.
But because you have done the worst to a child, you have done what a godfather is not supposed to do for a child because of money. You all
did that to him because of money. If we are to talk about money, you did unthinkable to him because of money. You betrayed him because of money. You betrayed his son because of money. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó started relation with your husband, not your father-in-law. Stop pushing what Ìyábọ̀ Òjó did to your husband, to Baba Mohbad. It is a taboo for you to allege Baba Mohbad is using her son for money. When you open your two eyes, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó is making hell of money through your husband predicament. Èmi wo dey like ẹ o. So Ìyábọ̀ Òjó kọ́ ló fi ọkọ ẹ̀ gbowó mọ́. Bàbá ẹ̀ tó bí ló fi gba owó. Ṣé ńgbà tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tẹ́ gbé bàbá yẹn lọ sí station? Bàbá tí ò ní gàrí lé lọ́jọ́ tó mọ ẹ kú. Tó bá sọ wípé nítorí owó ni bàbá Mohbad ṣe betray Mohbad. Nítorí kí ni wọ́n ṣe betray Mohbad? Kí ni Ìyábọ̀ Òjó wá nínú ẹbí alọ́ba? Ṣé bá lọ́ba ló ń jẹ́? Àbí Mrs. Aloba kọ́ ló ń jẹ́? If not for because of money, what is Iyabo Ojo looking for in Aloba's family? Àánú ẹ ṣe mí tèmi ṣe tọ́lọ́. Imagine Iyabo Ojo sitting down and be asking for your husband money without the father's consent. What is Iyabo Ojo looking for in your Aloba's family? Is your son Ojo? Is your husband Ojo? Is your husband Oguro? If not for money, why is Iyabo Ojo putting up your son's face every day? Now she's covering her own grandson's faces. Even if Iyabo Ojo alleged Baba Mohbad that he has been doing things because of money, show us anywhere. Níjọ́ tí Mohbad kú, mọye tó kó fún gbogbo yín. Èló lẹ fún Baba Mohbad ńbẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fòkú Mohbad gba owó bí ogún bí ọgbọ̀n. Ẹ wá allege Baba Mohbad tó ń gbowó. Ó bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Darling, bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Ó dẹ̀ bẹ̀rù àtúbọ̀tán. Bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Tó bá rí frustration kankan lọ́dọ̀ Iyabo ni kò fi kọ́ lọ́rùn. Má fi image Iyabo kọ́ Baba Mohbad lọ́rùn. So Baba Mohbad tí wọ́n pè ṣé bí wọ́n wà ní ṣé bí wà tí Mohbad jọ sùn mọ́jú ní ìjọ tí kí ni wọ́n ti jáde tó wá ǹjẹ́ wọ́n padà sọ fún wa máa gbé fídíò Iyabo Ojo kọ̀ọ̀kan wá lísìn fúnra a máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
You made a whole lot of people sin just because of the lies that you have told of my child and of myself. And I'm not even trying to involve myself in all of this because I'm an adult. But you said that little child, I will fight for you to the last. And nothing, I repeat, nothing you want to say or do that will move my stand except what I want. One thing I am glad that happened yesterday is that it has been clear.
Story don't go. Baba Mohbad you need any vote. Even go jawo lo bi Mohbad fún kò ní di gbogbo yín. Lọ sọ fún wa. Baba Mohbad you need anybody. Bóyá nítorí ṣe ó fi pé mi ní Baba Mohbad. Kódà àwọn ọmọ bíbí inú ẹ̀ kò ní di wọn. Ẹ gbogbo yín ti traumatize.
To you now that me, Omomumi, has the final say on there. You see that all of this propaganda, at the end of the day, the law will take its course. With or without you, I am doing the DNA of you now. Not because of anything, but just because I'm not even trying to prove anything to anybody. I'm really trying to prove to my child. I'm sure I'm trying.
Let your do fellow. Any DNA done without him will not be accepted in the society. The way you ridicule this man, the way you pull down this man, the way you, I'm sure to bá jẹ́ pé okùn bojú ẹ̀yìn, Mohbad will be crying the way you treated his father. Mohbad will be crying. And there will be consequence for that. You remember what he told you when you guys are fighting for phone? Remember what he told you? Any DNA being done without Baba Mohbad is not DNA. And he won't come to beg you because he does not need anybody. Not even his own biological children. He doesn't need anybody. He does not need anybody. It's you that need that boy most for main time. The boy will grow up, he will read, you will understand. For some years, o ma understand. You realize that you will take blame for everything. You are just dragging this thing. You will do DNA. This is 3 years, going to 4 years, and nothing has been done. The same way Iyabo Ojo took Kanu show, Thank God we did secret DNA. Because Baba Mohbad doesn't have good people around him. You know? The phone Mohbad said he was looking for. Where was the phone up to now? So many questions. It's not good. Don't treat the man this way.
There's so many reasons not to ever associate with you as a person, because you like I can't even trust him with one of his slippers with you. Not
he doesn't need that boy. He doesn't need him.
Not because of the entire body of my child, because you have broken him, and you will do anything to make sure that you unalive him. Well, you know what? As long as I live, make sure that you unalive him. Well, you know what? As long as I live, it's never going to happen. As long as I live, none of your interview, talks, speech party will matter to me. Because if people can think deep, they will know from the beginning that you know what you are doing, but they were just blinded with emotions. They will know from the beginning that you know that this child is a grandchild. You've never caused him. That is when they will know.
But the family, even Arejan tí ìyàwó ẹ̀ jáde kó ti fọmọ́lẹ̀ fọdún mẹ́wàá. Arejan dé admit pé òun ti fọmọ́lẹ̀ fọdún mẹ́wàá. Kí ló rí Arejan béèrè? Ó béèrè DNA. Kámọ̀ ẹ̀ tí sọ bàbá tí wọ́n lọ nà mọ́nú mọ́tò. Bàbá tó jẹ́ pé kò sí búlì tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ò fún. Kò sórúkọ tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ò pé. Ìwà tí bàbá yóò ṣọ̀tà tẹ́lẹ̀. Ibi Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ló darí yìí. Kí ló fẹ́ gba donation? Think twice, Shadali.
Whenever people are cursing, don't say amen to it. That is when they will know. But you know, because people were blinded with emotions, they allowed you to continue. And which I'm not angry about. But now we are at the final destination. You will prove it if you have the right over here. And I'm Baba, you.
Ìyábọ̀ try rárá. Ìyábọ̀ mú kọ wú ẹbí olórí burúkú ẹ̀dá ni Ìyábọ̀ Alison. Ìyábọ̀ ó máa ṣòfò ọmọ mọ́. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ikú burúkú làwọn ọmọ máa kú lójú ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ o. Ó rọ́jú ó bàdílé yìí jẹ́ gan o. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń lọ pàtí Ìyábọ̀, ọ̀run máa fọ ọmọ yín dá yín lóró lọ́la wákàtí tá wà. Gbogbo yín tẹ́ ń gbèjà Ìyábọ̀ tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ń gbèjà, ọ̀run máa fi kú ọmọ dá yín lóró. Ìyábọ̀ ó ṣe dáadáa o. Ìyábọ̀ ó yá wèrè gan o. Ìyábọ̀ ó yá wèrè gan o. Darling, tó bá jẹ́ pé irú èmi ló súnmọ́, mi ń jẹ́ kó wá sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yín ká. Torí kò lè bá pàdé aláàánú, torí kò lè bá pàdé ọkùnrin gidi, torí kò lè bá rí bí ire sọ̀rọ̀ ká, torí kò lè bá rí ìdílé gidi wọ̀, mi ní jẹ́ kó wá sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí. Tó bá dà pé wíwá ló mọ̀, ní jẹ́ kó bá bàbá ọkọ ẹja. Láyé, ní jẹ́ kó bàjá. But it's okay. It's okay.
Don't do this with me. This one, and you know what? They said all this.
Nígbà tí Mohbad kú, ṣé bí Ìyábọ̀ àti gbogbo yín tó kù làwọn gómìnà tí wá ń kí, àwọn sẹ́nítọ̀ ń kí. Bàbá Mohbad wà ní Kòròdú tí ò sóúnjẹ nínú ilé ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ron tọ̀ láṣà, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣe dáadáa. Me, I like you because you are a strong girl. I like you. I agree with you for blame Mary. Even the reason why I'm analyzing this video is because mo feel for ẹ. Torí pé baby yẹn, ọmọ ìkéré yẹn, mo wá feel for ẹ. Tó rántí fi ẹ́ sí fíìmù. Ọkọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó dà. Bàbá ọmọ ẹ̀ dà. Bending roller waist dà. Ṣé ayé tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó gbé là wá gbé? Ṣé ayé tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó gbé là wá gbé? Ayé dáadáa táwa gbé lánàá ló tún ayé wa ṣe lénìí. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ìgbésí ayé tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ń gbé tó bá yẹ kó máa ń dowó ni, ó yẹ kí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ti jẹ́ yẹn. So darling,
Ugly bloggers that you're going to, they cannot do it. Move, go very well. I want you to go start doing the LTV. What is it called? All this PR that you were doing before. I want you to start. Like I will prove it to you over and over and over again that all of these things you're doing,
darling, return of iṣẹ́ olóṣó tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ṣe. Èèyàn mélòó lórí bẹ́ẹ̀ tó jẹ́yàn gidi. Pẹ̀lú bí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ṣe kó àwọn èèyàn sí WhatsApp group. Ǹjẹ́ orí kí fíìmù yẹn rìn? Ìwọ náà gbọ́ review fíìmù yẹn náà. Tó bá jẹ́ pé orí ọ̀tá ọkọ ẹ̀ bí ọ̀tá ẹ̀ ni, o ní dé junction tó wà ẹ̀. Bó orí ọ̀tá ọkọ ẹ̀ bí ọ̀tá ẹ̀.
Will not affect me. You know what? What the court has to do with me? Beg me. If you're not going back to that, we will be in this battle for 20 years and still here. But one thing that I love and I am glad is that you got to try to get that you have no power over the land. And you know what? Go to hide.
That means something is wrong somewhere. Compromise wà níbí kan níbẹ̀. Statement tó sọ nísìnyí, gbogbo ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n tó bá gbọ́ mọ̀ wípé ibi tẹ̀tí ń ṣe kéèsì yẹn ti wà compromise. Is this your statement? Ìlànà òní control over Liam.
Okay. Go to the church and go to appeal court, go to these are the things my people have been trying to let you all know for the longest. Try to let that you have no power over the land. And you know what? Go to high court, go to the church and go to appeal court, go to these are the things my people have been trying to let you all know for the longest. Now I was the one that said I wanted DNA, but you never believed them. I hope it is started, and I hope the truth has been established now. I wanted this DNA. If I had said no from the beginning, we will not move an inch. I wanted it. That's so, and I am so glad that I was the one that wanted this DNA. And you know, with all the propaganda, you know when you guys do that fake publishing like the last time, saying this hospital that it should be me, Timothy, choose fake, which is a lie. I never said anything. My mama said I would have posted all of those things.
They don't have any backup. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó played you guys. It was Ìyábọ̀ Òjó that pushed narrative of Oba owns a child. It was Ìyábọ̀ Òjó that pushed the narrative. Because Ìyábọ̀ Òjó knows that the Oba is powerful to write a letter. And for the writing, you know, but the moment Ìyábọ̀ Òjó push narrative, cook story for you guys, the moment you start bullying that Oba, ọmọ yẹn lè rí justice. Torí Ọba yẹn ló yẹ kó ran kéèsì lọ́wọ́. Ọba yẹn dẹ̀ ló ń parọ́ mọ́. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó dẹ̀ ti ń bully Ọba yẹn already lọ́nà gist lover. Ọba yẹn kọ́ ló lọ́mọ. Narrative yẹn látọ̀dọ̀ Ìyábọ̀. So that ṣe mọ̀ pé tó máa ní kó ṣe kéèsì yẹn, ẹ tún máa padà sórí Ọba yẹn. Ọba tí ò dẹ̀ mọ́wọ́ tí ò mẹ́sẹ̀. Àwọn tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ń polówó fún, ṣé mo mọ̀ wọ́n? Ṣé mo ṣẹ̀ wọ́n? Ẹ̀rí bí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ṣe lọ gbé wọn wá náà. Ẹ̀rí bó ikú sórí ẹ̀ bó ikú caption. The greatest mistake tẹ́ ṣe is Ọba tẹ́ lọ hàdìmọ́ láti ilẹ̀ pé kẹ́ hàdì Ọba yẹn mọ́. Èyí tẹ́ bí ń sọ pé Ọba yẹn ló lọ́mọ, Ọba kọ́ ló lọ́mọ. Ọba yẹn ló yẹ kẹ́ lọ máa sunkún sí lọ́rùn. Ọba yẹn ni ò bá bá wa gbé ìgbésẹ̀. I keep telling you guys then, but come on, I pay young beje yan. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń jáde lẹ́nu ọmọ yìí, ó ń ṣe Ìyábọ̀ Òjó máa sọ fàṣà, ó máa wọ̀ lọ.
I want you to enjoy, because all of those things is just they will type, keep out the lawyer, they will type, interview, they will do. I cannot stop people. I don't feel but every other thing, Baba, all of this, I love family, family, all this noise. I called you from the beginning of this case, not to avoid all of this. Baba, checking your money, what do you want? Let me bring this child to you for the day. He's your grandchild, blah, blah, blah. You said no, you were screaming property. When all of these things was happening,
Is there any issue? Me say now you don't make any of a good aristo. Come law. Come was so good to pa Mohbad for wa. Come law. Ìbá àwọn lórí burúkú náà ti wà ní UK tọ́lọ́ máa fi kú ọmọ dá wọn lóró. Tálá wọn tẹ̀lé Ìyábọ̀ lọ ṣe premier. tọmọlọ́mọ wà mọ́ṣúárì gbogbo yín tẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ẹ̀ ní jẹ́ wọn mọ́ nǹkan tó gbẹ̀yìn Mohbad ló máa gbẹ̀yìn gbogbo ọmọ yín ilé yín máa dàrú ilé ọmọ yín máa dàrú ìrìn àjò àwọn ọmọ yín máa dàrú gbogbo yín pátá tẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bí kéèsì Mohbad ṣe rí gẹ́lẹ́ bí ìgbésí ayé àwọn ọmọ yín ṣe máa rí nìyẹn at the peak ayé àwọn ọmọ yín máa gbókò ọmọ yín wá bá yín lé gbogbo yín tẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé Ìyábọ̀ lọ́la àwọn tó tilẹ̀ pọ́njú èyí àdàbí tọ́wọ́ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bá mọ́ lókun.
You were going online screaming DNA and you never discussed it with me. And a whole lot of people think you discussed this with me, just because...
He doesn't need to discuss it with you. Because your godmother lied against him, bullied him. Your godmother almost died this man, which is Iyabo. It's quite unfortunate how you didn't see anything bad. How Iyabo Òjó has destroyed your family. At least for the first time, you won't hear jáde lọ́jọ́ kan the trace is kept. Tí bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ Fọlá níbí lọ́wọ́ dáadáa máa sọ wípé initially ẹ rí pé Fọlá ó ní ẹ má bully Lizzy o. Mo máa ń sọ torí nítorí àwíjàre kí tọ́tọ́ lẹ́nu. Problem tó wà lẹ́nu wípé I know your enemy which is Iyabo Òjó. Mi mọ́ mo lè put it. Society kẹ̀dẹ̀ ní ó lójú ẹni tó lọ́pọlọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ò lọ́pọlọ. Lójú ara ẹ̀ sìn ó rò pé Iyabo Òjó náà fẹ́ no she doesn't. Ọmọ owó ẹ̀ sì ní tágẹ́tì Iyabo lọ́kọ́ sílẹ̀ bí gbogbo àmà wà.
That wasn't talking. You were screaming DNA, and I was running after you with calls. Baba getting she there cash DNA.
A wà níbi àrígbó nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Búrú yẹn pọ̀ jù lórí bàbá yẹn. Iyabo Òjó fẹ́ pa bàbá tó yẹ kó dúró fún bàbá yẹn ni pé bàbá mi ni bàbá ọkọ mi bàbá mi ni tòótọ́ ọmọ ilé ti kú o ọmọ kú ni. Nobody should bully my father-in-law. Ní dé junction tade yìí. Ní dé junction tade yìí.
Don't bring our dirty line outside. Everybody has family issues that they are dealing with.
Ìwọ náà wò Iyabo Òjó nínú WhatsApp group. Ó admit pé àwọn tí lọ ṣe secret DNA. Ó admit pé àwọn tí lọ ṣe secret DNA. Ibo ló ti fẹ́ kí bàbá yẹn forgive. Ibo ló ti fẹ́ kó forgive. Kò dáa. At least àwọn àgbàlagbà tó wà ní surrounding rẹ̀ ó yẹ kó coach ẹ̀ pé ní ó má ṣe báyìí má ṣe báyìí bí mo ṣe dàgbà tó ìmú láwọn tó ń coach mi mo láwọn tó ń coach mi mo dàgbà tó ìṣe láwọn tó ń coach mi.
Let's do this as a family. You never said yes to DNA. You never wanted it from the beginning. The next thing you did was going to my lawyer to serve them. You did not come to me as a family that I feel that we were. You did not.
Let her come from me first. That one is not your autistic. Let her come. Let her come. Ẹ kó mọ̀ pé wọ́n mọ̀ pé ní ọba wa fún bí ẹni tó fún ní nǹkan tí mo jẹ tí mo mọ̀ jẹ ni. Let her come. But my stand is Baba Mohbad does not need anything from me. And you don't need anything from Baba Mohbad. And for the fact that Iyabo Òjó tó da family yín ó rí nǹkan tí ò dánú nǹkan tó ṣe.
The only action you did was going to my lawyer. So you going to my lawyer is going to court. You wanted this to escalate and it is happening. And now you want to do a DNA test, a private DNA test on it.
Ẹ jẹ́ kó dúró lẹ́yìn náà. Mo fẹ́ play video kan fún ẹ. Jẹ́ kí n lọ. Mi ò ní time but jẹ́ kí n play video yẹn fún ẹ. Torí mo mọ̀ kó máa wò mí lálẹ́, mo mọ̀ kó máa wà níbí. Mo mọ̀ kó máa wà níbí. I'll see you tomorrow Sunday. I'll see you. ọmọ kó wà ń bí lálẹ́ ń wò mí jẹ́ kí n play ilé ìfún ẹni ráńpẹ́ ọmọ kó ń wò mí má bọ̀ wá gbọ́ fídíò yìí wá gbọ́ fídíò yìí.
bí ọmọ ni wọ́n jẹ́ ẹsẹ̀ tó tọ́ báwọn ọmọ mi tó wọ́n sọ pé ọmọ ẹlòmíì máa ṣe.
Now this is normal spite people and this is not something that people discuss in Koloso because the man wants to pay for it. Tí mo lọ sí ilé Mohbad tí mo lọ kí ìyàwó Mohbad àti ọmọ ẹ̀ tí mo wá bá màmá ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbà tó fi kú yẹn tó ń gbé tó ṣe fídíò yẹn.
ṣé o ń tẹ̀lé mi ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ? ṣé o ń tẹ̀lé mi? ṣé o ń tẹ̀lé mi? Mo kó owó mi lálẹ́ máa gbọ́. mi ìfẹ́ tó bá dọ̀là máa tètè dé máa wá.
àtàwọn dàbọ̀ ìsinmi wọ́n pọ̀ lé sọ gbogbo wọn sọ̀rọ̀ and ó rí pé nǹkan tó sọ lọ́jọ́ yẹn àti kó sì DJ Splash sọ ó ṣọlẹ́sàn ó papọ̀ and ọmọ tí mo ìkan náà mo bọ́ọ̀lì tí mo sẹ́ndì sí ó mú kan nù wọn ó bá ìwọ̀n gbà.
ọmọ tó ń bí Ìyábọ̀ complicate issue fún ẹ̀gbọ́n ìyàwó Mohbad. Ìyábọ̀ complicate a lot of things for it. Inú fídíò Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sọ pé ọmọ tó ń bí ó tún wá ní pé àwọn ọmọ kan ṣé wọ́n wà wí ẹ̀ pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ó mú àwọn ọmọ kan fún ọkọ ẹ̀. Inú fídíò yìí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó establish wípé ọmọ bíbí inú òun ó wà nínú ilé yín mọ́jú. Nígbà tí wọ́n sọ pé Mohbad kú sí hospital Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ló kú sínú ilé. Ọ̀nà òun ni bàbá ọkọ ẹ̀ gbà ṣe. Inú Ìyábọ̀ tó sọ pé ọkọ ẹ̀ kú sínú ilé tí wọ́n sọ pé ó kú sí hospital àti bàbá ọkọ ẹ̀ tí ò takò nǹkan tó sọ. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó orchestrated all this wahala for you. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ló máa gbé script yé lé ẹ lọ́wọ́ á dẹ̀ máa ka BCD sétí ọmọ aráyé just to put you more in troubles. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó complicated your issues. She dealt with you like a baby. She destroyed you beyond imagination. Listen to this video.
Because mom, I have 2 children, but
She was only bottle signing. Olóhùn lọ́mọ méjì àgbọ̀.
by the grace of God, I've been able to raise a lot of children, and I call all of them my children. So if I can show you I'm not something I shall understand. So it's one more thing because everyone back on low.
Ìwọ sọ fún wa. Ọmọ bíbí inú Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tó wá aṣọ lé yín mọ́jú tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó forúkọ bò láṣẹ. Ṣé o sọ fún bàbá Mohbad dọ̀là ẹni tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó forúkọ bò láṣẹ? Ṣé o sọ fún bàbá Mohbad? Ìyábọ̀ Òjó established in this video that her biological son slept in your house overnight. Ìwọ gbogbo rẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ débẹ̀ ni. Ìwọ gbogbo sọ fún ọmọ Nàìjíríà yìí wípé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó kó àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀kọ́ wá àbí biological son ẹ̀ ó wà nílé yín mọ́jú lọ́jọ́ tó pẹ́ kú àbó sọ fáwọn èèyàn. Ìṣẹ̀dá tó máa gbọ́ statement yìí wọ́n máa fi ẹ́ lọ́rùn sílẹ̀. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó can decide to keep quiet, but she exposed herself by confirming the fact that her biological son slept in your house overnight. If her biological son slept in your house overnight and you never talked about it, nobody talked about it. Tó bá wá fẹ́ sọ wípé wọ́n ti ẹ̀fẹ́ wá parọ́ mọ́mọ́ ẹ̀. Ṣé àjèjì tó wá súnlé yín mọ́jú? Ṣé kò bẹ́tà kán sọ pé òun ló lọ́mọ ju ọba tó lọ ń dárúkọ lọ? Nígbà tán lọ́ba ló lọ́mọ, darling sister mi, nígbà tán ní ọba ló lọ́mọ owó ẹ̀, ẹ̀tọ́ ẹ jáde kó gbé gbogbo nǹkan kó fi búra. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó was telling you not to talk, but she was busy creating more cases for you. If not for Iyabo, your case will not get to this stage. Listen to Iyabo now. Iyabo just said someone slept in your house. In the case of murder, Iyabo just said she covered the person's name. Listen, come and listen now. God, by the grace of God, I've been able to raise a lot of children. And I call all of them my children. So I can show you that I'm as a pet, I shall understand. So, one more thing, because a room back on the Jadi. You know, so, yeah, let's go for me, mommy. Can you go? In fact, I don't know mommy more Jadi because me or Rodo lost it. Ọjọ́ tó pé òun mọ́ mi òun jágbe mọ́ ṣé àǹtí lọmọ yẹn ti ń pè tẹ́lẹ̀ lísì síbẹ̀ yẹn padà.
Because we raise a lot of children, and I call all of them my children. So I can show you that I'm as a pet, I shall understand. So one more thing, because a room back on the
ẹni tí Iyabo Ojo forúkọ bò láṣìírí ṣe ti tẹ́kì tí àmì sọ fún bàbá ọkọ ẹ̀ ẹni tẹ́ni yẹn jẹ́ ṣe sọ fún àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ẹni tẹ́ni yẹn jẹ́ ẹni tí Iyabo Ojo forúkọ bò láṣìírí ṣe bí Iyabo Ojo sọ wípé òun ò rí ọkọ ẹ̀ rí òun ò rí ẹ̀ rí ṣe bí Iyabo Ojo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ so how come tí Iyabo Ojo tó wá sọ fún ọmọ Nàìjíríà wípé àwọn ọmọ òun wọ́n wà nílé yín mọ́jú lọ́jọ́ tọ́kọ ẹ̀ kú kò dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ wá fídíò kó o gbọ́ kó o bí Iyabo Ojo ṣe put it under the phone lọ wo bí Iyabo Ojo ṣe attack lọ wo bí Iyabo Ojo ṣe expose Iyabo Ojo gbọmọgbọ ló fún àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ní picture pé your husband was being murdered if not for Iyabo ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ti sí kí ló ní kẹ́ ẹ wú fún nígbà tẹ́ ẹ wú tán kí ló mú Iyabo Ojo tí lọ máa tú àṣírí pé ọmọ bíbí inú òun ó wà nílé yín mọ́jú ṣé wọ́n ever sọ fẹ́ anybody rí pé ọmọ Iyabo Ojo ń sọ lẹ́yìn ṣé bó lélẹ̀ máa gbọ́.
Won't go through any trauma, not do it. You understand? I don't know.
Ṣé wọ́n lè sọ fún wa ẹni tí Iyabo Ojo fún ọkọ ẹ̀ tó dẹ̀ ń go through trauma lọ́dọ̀ ọkọ ẹ̀ ṣé wọ́n lè sọ fún wa Iyabo Ojo tún sọ nígbà ẹ̀pọ̀ ọkọ ẹ̀ ṣe drugs darling go and listen to this show. Your father-in-law was never your enemy. That man was never your enemy. It was Iyabo Ojo that sold you out completely. The audio that was being played under this number, audio of you and your husband having talk-to-your conversation, when your husband was saying, "Don't delete iCloud, don't delete WhatsApp, ta ló mú fóònù tó ń bá kú tán, ẹ fẹ́ push narrative àbí." Your husband said all that. Who posted that audio of yours and your husband under this law? Come on, darling, you need to know your father-in-law was never your enemy. Your father-in-law was never. Tomorrow, maybe I'll come out. My play on video, Iyabo Ojo confirm. You said your husband died in the hospital. Iyabo Ojo was pointing upstairs for us that your husband died in the house. Upstairs. And you said your husband died in the hospital. And you are still telling the innocent man that he's bullying you, he's doing that, he's doing that. Olúwakẹ́mi ta ló máa ń ké tó gba ẹ blọ́ọ̀kì.